Hey people, see me meditating with these two little souls. I've never felt so relaxed in a long time. Yeah, it's like I would highly recommend people to get pets because it's like they're the ultimate stress busters. This one is trying to lick me rather. So, truly, people, if you all ever miss having company, these are the ultimate way to just chill. I think she realizes the TV is on, camera's on, but yeah, it's a 1 minute video. No, see, this brown one is a gray one is a boy, white one is a girl, and we are just chilling. It's been a long, hard day. I do a lot of work from home itself, but yeah, this is how it is, and we'll chill now. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.